The Brave Little Rabbit and the Princess. Once upon a time there was a small rabbit who lived alone in a forest. It was very scared of everyone. One day a kind princess came walking in the forest. She saw the rabbit hiding behind a tree. She wanted to help, but it ran away. The princess did not give up. She came back every day leaving carrots and speaking softly. Slowly the rabbit began to trust her. One stormy evening the rabbit got trapped under a tree. The princess ran into the rain and saved it. The rabbit felt warmth and courage in its heart. After that the rabbit started moving with more confidence. It looked around and felt safe near the princess. It slowly began to believe in itself and take small brave steps. From that day they became best friends. They explored the forest together. The rabbit was no longer afraid. The story shows that even the smallest can be brave with kindness, patience, and love.